The GE Appliances front-load commercial laundry machines allow installation of an optional coin drop and coin box accessory. In this installation training video, we will cover how to install the optional coin drop and coin box accessories on our standalone dryer models. Step 1. We will begin covering the installation instructions for the single coin drop into the dryer. Always make sure the dryer is unplugged during coin drop installation. Detailed instructions with diagrams are within the coin drop installation instructions. To complete this task, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an 11/32" socket and nut driver, and safety gloves. Step 1. To begin, we need to open up the dryer user interface control panel to connect the coin drop assembly harness. Use the access key that was shipped with your dryer in the accessory bag to unlock and open the user interface control panel. Pull its top down and lift it off. Rotate it and tuck it into the dryer's upper shelf. There is no need to disconnect any of the harness connections. Next, remove the control panel frame by unscrewing the 4 screws. To remove the control panel frame, lift out and off the top flange and side locator pins. Step 2. We are now going to begin installation of the single coin drop assembly to the dryer. You will need to have your single coin drop accessory close by. Always make sure the dryer is unplugged during coin drop installation. Detailed instructions with diagrams are within the coin drop installation instructions. To begin, assemble the coin drop faceplate to the dryer control panel frame. Place the back of the coin drop faceplate onto the front of the control panel frame on the dryer. Bring the coin drop assembly to the rear of the dryer control panel frame. Align the corner mounting holes and insert a bolt through each hole in the faceplate, control panel frame, coin drop assembly. Secure each bolt with a nut. Next, we need to connect the coin drop assembly wire harness to the dryer user interface control panel. Reach into the dryer user interface control panel opening and pull the wiring harness connector out into the opening just enough to enable connection. Connect the coin 1 or coin 2 connector from the dryer user interface control panel harness into the connector on the coin drop. Ensure the locking tabs on this connection are secure. Please note, if your washer or dryer is a standalone unit, it will use a single coin drop. If you are stacking a unit on top, you will instead use a double coin drop. We are now ready to put the dryer control panel back together and finish up. In reverse sequence, reinstall the removed parts for the dryer. Reinstall the control panel frame. To start, first place the dryer control panel frame bottom edge onto the dryer, then rotate inward to reseat onto the side locator pins and snap into position. Fasten all 4 screws previously removed. Lastly, reinstall the user interface control panel and lock into place. Be sure there are no wires out of position. Step 4. The final step will be the installation of the coin box. This is also known as the money box. It is critical that you write down the 5-digit code etched on each coin box key and keep this information in a safe place. This will be needed if you need a spare coin box key or if you lose your provided key. Slide the coin box assembly into the opening below the coin drop. Adjust the coin box as necessary before locking the coin box into final position.